So you do need to drill a hole and measure it, all right? That's one thing you have to do. Make sure you measure that properly. There we go. All right. All right, we have it finished. If you guys can notice, it's working. We're locking it in perfect. On the other side, if you guys can see the handle, it does the same thing. Now, this door does not have a lock, so that's the one thing that you have to recognize, that this door is not going to be for the main entrance. It will be pretty much for a closet door, an internal door. It could even be a barn if you have a barn too, if you want to lock it in place. Very simple. The latch releases, you pull back. I like this long handle, very simple. It's easy for anybody to handle it and hold it. The buttons, very, very sensitive. It opens up pretty good. The latch itself, there's a demo. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.